Well, now let's head to the crypto space now and see what's happening right there. Well, I see red on the board. So even though we still have that 100,000 level, we've lost some percentage right there. I know yesterday the price went up to about 103,000 thereabouts. So I guess we should expect profit taking. It's a norm in any market, yeah? So it's 100,000, 148.62, lost some right there. And of course, it's down 0.76%. So it drives the other coins in the crypto space more red that we have this afternoon. Now, let's see some trending stories. At the crypto space, Binance, for instance, has recorded $24 billion inflows in 2024 as the exchange surpassed the 100,000 trillion level in a lifetime trading. So this is accumulation of what are some activities in the crypto space by Binance for the year. The leading crypto exchange was accumulated more than 24 billion in flows, and this growth aligns with a surge in global adoption of the digital assets. We know that Binance is really popular in a country like Nigeria. Nigeria also is part of that adoption, new adoptions for the year. Also in the crypto space, we see that the SEC has settled settlement demand to Elon Musk. Elon Musk, we know him by now, of course, the very rich guy that does elite products. In the United States, the Securities and Exchange Commission chair and the agency led by Chair Gary Gensler has issued Musk a settlement demand, warning of potential enforcement action unless he agrees to a deal within 48 hours. The private discussion became public when Musk, now a top advisor to President-elect, we cannot leave that out, has revealed a letter from his lawyer, and the SEC's probe focuses on his 2022 acquisition of Twitter stock, which they allege may have involved delayed disclosures and possibly giving him an advantage in securing a large stake at a lower cost. So 48 hours, we should get an agreement right there. And then away from that, we do have a report of a major breach that happened with a hacker stealing 15.9 million Coinbase commerce, bypassing AML detection. One of the fears of, will I say those who are skeptical about the crypto space are that there might be some not so tight measures right there. But let's talk to Solomon Amunde now on these issues and more. Hi, Solomon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Nini. Good afternoon.
Yeah, so we see there's been a little bit of drop. I guess it's just natural. Talking about the price of Bitcoin now, yesterday we got up to about 103,000. Now we're on 100. Can we say that 100,000 would be a new resistance point?
No, not really. I won't say that's the resistance. I still feel we have the strongest resistance between $88,000 and $92,000. But we've seen Bitcoin hold up and trying to establish a support at around 99 and 100,000. Seems pretty interesting. At least it presents the opportunity for it to make another leg up early next year to about $115,000, $120,000.
Yeah, so I guess the 25% or 25 points cuts, at least that's what is being expected. That's what economists are pricing in or talking about the Federal Reserve meeting next week. Do we see that already priced into it at this time, or should we expect a movement?
No, irrespective of the cuts, it would have little to no significance, negative significance rather, on the crypto markets. Why? Is because the bigger picture is the day that President Trump will make his opening speech and also take his oath. That's like the bigger picture. So most persons are not really concerned about the cuts that will be happening later on this month because of the bigger picture. So I would say it has little to no effect, negative effects rather, on the crypto market.
Okay. So now this issue with Elon Musk and SEC giving him 48 hours for them to have an agreement, knowing the relationship between Elon Musk and Donald Trump, does it move the market or investors anyway?
Yeah, definitely. To move the market, Trump is pro-crypto, Elon Musk is pro-crypto, pro-innovation, pro-AI. Yeah, so from first quarter of next year, we should see very exciting stuffs happening. I mean, that's why Bitcoin has rallied past $100,000 is because of the ripple effect of President Trump and also the support of Elon Musk and also the direction that the US will be going with regards to cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. So everyone is very much excited for what's to come next year.
Yeah, but is it too late for interested investors at this point?
No. Actually, it's extremely still early. It's still very, very early for investors because right now the crypto market was just able to beat its previous all-time FDV, and we are sitting at close to $4 trillion, 3 point something. So there's still a huge gap that the market can still grow. The market can still do at least 100% growth. So it's possible that within the next 1 year plus, we can see the fully diluted valuation of the crypto market get to about $8 trillion. So if you look at it that way, there's still lots of opportunities for new investors in the market, actually.
What price action, what direction of the price action do you see this weekend?
Now, I feel that Bitcoin will consolidate. So I see it consolidating between the range of 97,000 and 102,000. I see it consolidating till next week and most likely till the end of the year. I don't see us going below $8,000 again because of if we should go to even 1992. There are lots of VCs and companies and also countries looking to buy, so they'll scoop up the supply and to go back up again. So basically, I'm not too much correction from the market.
Are the institutional investors, are they still piling up?
Yeah, definitely. They have not even really started. There are still more institutional investors that will jump in and will accumulate more and more Bitcoins. In fact, we will soon start seeing countries start accumulating Bitcoin from like next year, trying to set up their Bitcoin strategic reserve. So like I said, the demand for Bitcoin right now is at all-time high. We've never seen this much demand for Bitcoin before in the history of Bitcoin. And it will increase definitely.
All right, Solomon, thank you so much for sharing your views with us this afternoon.
Thank you very much, Amy.